Testosterone Replacement Therapy, or TRT, is one of the most controversial topics in men's health today. Some call it a miracle solution that restores energy, muscle mass, and sex drive. Others warn that it's dangerous, potentially addictive, and could trap you in a lifelong dependency. So, what's the actual truth? In this video, I'm going to break down absolutely everything you need to know about TRT, what it really is, who should actually consider it, the legitimate benefits, the real risks you need to know about, and perhaps most importantly, the natural alternatives you should try first. And make sure you stick around until the end because I'll share the exact steps to determine if TRT is genuinely right for you or if you should focus on fixing things naturally first. This could save you on making an irreversible decision. I'm Thomas L, and if you want weekly science-based content on hormones, energy optimization, and longevity, hit that subscribe button right now. And let's dive in. Let's start with the beginning. TRT stands for Testosterone Replacement Therapy. It's a medical treatment where testosterone is administered through injection, topical gels, or subcutaneous pellets to bring your testosterone level back into what's considered a normal physiological range. Now, I want to be crystal clear about something. TRT is not the same as anabolic steroid abuse. We're talking about medical doses here, prescribed and monitored by doctors, designed to restore normal function. It's not the supraphysiological doses that bodybuilders might use to pack on massive amounts of muscle. Think of it this way. If your body was a car, TRT would be like replacing a faulty alternator to get your electrical system working properly again. You're not installing a turbocharger, you're just fixing what's broken. The typical TRT dose ranges from 1 to 200 milligrams of testosterone per week, which is designed to bring your levels to somewhere between 500 and 1000 nanograms per deciliter. That's the sweet spot for most men. Here's a key point. TRT isn't about becoming a bodybuilder or gaining superhuman strength. It's about restoring normal function when your body can't produce enough testosterone on its own. Now, why would someone need TRT in the first place? Well, testosterone decline is actually more common than you might think. Starting around age of 25 to 30, men naturally lose about 1% of their testosterone production every single year. By the time you hit 50, you could be producing 25 to 30% less testosterone than you did in your 20s. And for some men, this decline happens much faster. But here's where it gets interesting. Age isn't the only culprit. Our modern lifestyle is basically designed to tank testosterone levels. Chronic stress that elevates cortisol, which directly suppresses testosterone production. Poor sleep, even 1 week of sleeping 5 hours a night can drop your testosterone by 15%. The standard Western diet, high in processed foods, sugar, and omega-6 oils, absolutely devastating for hormone production. Add in regular alcohol consumption, exposure to endocrine disrupting chemicals in plastic and personal care products, and the fact that most men are carrying 20 to 30 pounds of extra body fat, which converts testosterone to estrogen, and you've got a perfect storm for hormone dysfunction. Then there are medical causes. Some men have primary or secondary hypogonadism. Their testicles or pituitary glands simply don't work properly. Others might have testicular injuries, certain cancer, or be taking medication like opioids or corticosteroids that suppresses testosterone. But here's a key question. When does low testosterone actually become a medical problem that requires TRT? Let me paint you a picture. You wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep. That morning energy you used to have, gone. You drag yourself through the day, relying on coffee just to function. You notice your workouts aren't producing results anymore. Despite eating the same and exercising regularly, you're losing muscle and gaining belly fat. Your strength in the gym has plateaued or even declined. Your sex life, let's be honest, your libido has tanked. Maybe you experience erectile dysfunction or you simply have zero interest in sex. Your partner might be wondering what's wrong. Mentally, you feel like you're operating in a fog. Your motivation is shot. Tasks that used to excite you feel like climbing Mount Everest. You might even be experiencing depression or anxiety that seems to come out of nowhere. If this sounds familiar, you might have low testosterone, but, and this is crucial, feelings and symptoms aren't enough for a diagnosis. You need blood work. Specifically, you need to test your total testosterone or free testosterone levels. If your total testosterone is constantly below 300 nanograms per deciliter, and I mean consistently, not just one bad test, and you have these symptoms, then you might be a candidate for TRT. But here's what most people don't understand. The reference range for normal testosterone is massive, usually 300 to 1000 nanograms deciliter. A 25-year-old with 350 might feel terrible, while a 60-year-old with the same level might feel fine. Context matters. Now let's talk about what happens when TRT actually works. Because when it's done right, for the right person, the results can be genuinely life-changing. First, energy. Within 3 to 4 weeks, most men report feeling like someone flipped a switch. That crushing fatigue, gone. They wake up ready to tackle the day. Their afternoon energy crash disappears. They actually want to do things again. Physically, the changes are dramatic. Within 3 to 6 months, men typically gain 5 to 10 pounds of lean muscle mass, while losing similar amounts of body fat without changing their diet or exercise routine. Their strength in the gym increased by 20 to 30%. Recovery between workouts improved dramatically. Sexual function usually improves within 4 to 6 weeks. We are talking increased libido, stronger erections, better sexual performance, and importantly actually wanting to be intimate with their partners again. Many men say this alone saves their marriage. Mentally, the fog leaves, concentration improves, that spark of motivation returns. Depression and anxiety often improves significantly. But TRT isn't a replacement for mental health treatment if you need it. Long-term, the benefits extend to bone density, reducing fracture risk as you age, improve insulin sensitivity, better cardiovascular markers in many cases, and an overall sense of vitality that many men haven't felt in years. I've spoken to men who say TRT made them feel like they travel back in time 10 or 15 years. One guy told me, I feel like I got my life back. But, and this is a big but, TRT isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Quick pause before continuing the video. If you like the video and you are new here, please subscribe. It really means a lot and helps the channel. Also, if you're finding this helpful, please hit the like button. Finally, if you think something could be better, or if you want me to make a video on a specific subject, tell me in the comments. All of this really helps more guys over 25 discover these hacks on the channel. And I'll post new videos every week on biohacking, energy, and longevity, so no one will miss out. Thank you so much. Let's have an honest conversation about the dark side of TRT, because anyone considering this treatment needs to understand what they are signing up for. First and biggest issue, once you start TRT, your body essentially stops producing its own testosterone. Your testicles will shrink, sometimes by 20 to 50%. And here's the kicker. Even if you stop TRT, your natural production might never fully recover. This means TRT is often a lifetime commitment. Fertility is a major concern. TRT can reduce your sperm count to nearly zero. If you're planning to have kids, this is a deal breaker unless you add HCG or other fertility-preserving medications, which complicate treatment and add cost. Your blood can literally get thicker. TRT increases red blood cell production, which sounds good until your hematocrit gets too high. This increases your risk of blood clots, stroke, and heart attack. You'll need regular blood donations or therapeutic phlebotomy to manage this. Side effects are common, especially initially. Acne, and I'm talking teenage-level breakouts from some guys. Oily skins. Hair loss can accelerate if you're genetically predisposed. Some men experience mood swings, increased aggression, or anxiety. Sleep apnea can worsen or develop. Your prostate might enlarge, though the cancer risk is still debated. You'll need regular PSA monitoring. Financially, you're looking at $100 to $300 per month forever, plus regular blood work, doctor visits, and potentially medications to manage side effects. And here's something rarely discussed: the psychological dependence. Knowing that a medication is responsible for feeling good can mess with your head. Some men become obsessed with their levels, constantly adjusting doses, chasing that perfect number. And the bottom line, TRT isn't a magic fix. It's a serious medical treatment that requires careful consideration, ongoing monitoring, and acceptance of real risks. If you do decide to pursue TRT, here's exactly what the process looks like. Most men use injection, typically testosterone, cypionate or enanthate. You inject 50 to 100 milligrams twice per week, usually into your tight outlet. Yes, you will be sticking yourself with a needle for the rest of your life. The injection themselves aren't painful, but the commitment is real. Some prefer daily testosterone gels or creams. You apply these to your shoulders or inner thigh every morning. They are convenient but less stable. Your levels fluctuate more. Plus, you risk transferring testosterone to your partner or kids through skin contact. Pellets are another option. A doctor implants these under your skin every 3 to 6 months. Stable levels but requires a minor surgical procedure each time. Regardless of method, you'll need comprehensive blood work every 3 to 6 months. We're talking testosterone levels, estrogens, hematocrit, PSA, liver enzyme, lipids, the works. You need a qualified hormone specialist managing this. Not just any doctor will write you a prescription. TRT is as much art as science. Those adjustments, managing estrogen, dealing with side effects, it requires expertise. Many men also need additional medications. An aromatase inhibitor if estrogen gets too high. HCG if you want to preserve fertility or testicular size. You can become complex quickly. Before you even think about TRT, here's what you need to try first. Because for many men, these natural interventions can boost testosterone by 200 to 300 nanograms deciliter or more. Sleep first is non-negotiable. You need 7 to 9 hours for quality sleep. Your testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Fix your sleep and you might fix your hormones. Use blackout curtains, keep your room cool, no screens before bed. Hard strength training is mandatory. Heavy compounds movement, the squats, deadlifts, bench press, signal your body to produce more testosterone. 3 to 4 sessions per week, focusing on progressive overload. And add in daily walking, 8,000 to 10,000 steps. This reduces cortisol, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports hormone production. Your diet needs an overhaul. Hit 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Include healthy fats, whole eggs, grass-fed beef, wild-caught salmon, avocados, olive oil. Your body needs cholesterol to make testosterone. Cut the alcohol. Even moderate drinking tongue testosterone. If you must drink, limit to once per week. Manage your stress. Chronic stress equals chronic cortisol equals suppressed testosterone. Meditation, yoga, time in nature. Find what works and do it daily. And supplement strategically. Vitamin D3, 3,000 to 5,000 IU daily. Zinc, 15 to 30 milligrams. Magnesium glycinate or bisglycinate, 4,000 milligrams before bed. Ashwagandha, 600 milligrams daily can increase testosterone by 15 to 20%. Lose excess body fat. Every 10 pounds of fat loss can increase testosterone by 50 to 100 nanograms deciliter. Give this intervention 3 to 6 months of serious commitment. Many men are shocked to find their testosterone levels normalize naturally. TRT should be your last resort, not your first step. So you should start TRT? Here's your decision framework. Consider TRT if and only if all of these apply. You have clinically diagnosed hypogonadism, not just low normal levels, but genuinely low testosterone confirmed by multiple blood tests. You are experiencing significant symptoms that are impacting your quality of life. You seriously attempted natural intervention for at least 6 months with no improvement. You understand and accept the lifelong commitment and risks. You have access to proper medical supervision and can afford ongoing treatment. You're not planning to have children or you're willing to add fertility preservation protocols. TRT is not for you if you're looking for a shortcut to muscle gain or fat loss. You haven't optimized your lifestyle factors. You're under 30 unless you have diagnosed hypogonadism. You're not ready for a lifetime commitment. You think it solves all your problems, because it won't. So here's the truth about TRT. It can be absolutely life-changing for men who genuinely need it, restoring energy, vitality, and quality of life that they thought was gone forever. But it comes with serious risks, requires lifelong commitment, and needs proper medical supervision. It's not a decision to take lightly. If you suspect you have low testosterone, here's your action plan. Get comprehensive blood work done, implement the natural strategies I outlined for at least 6 months, and only then, if your levels are still low and you're still symptomatic, explore TRT with a qualified hormone specialist. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you considering TRT? Have you tried? What's been your experience? Drop a comment below. It's very interesting, and I personally read and respond to as many as I can. If this video helped you understand TRT better, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel reach more men who need these information. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly science-based content on hormone, longevity, and mild performance optimization. Check the description below for my recommended at-home testosterone test kit, the best books on hormone optimization, and my complete natural testosterone supplement stack with the exact brands and doses I recommend. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas, and I'll see you in the next one.